So let's go ahead and open up the box. Once again, it comes in one of these little cases. I kind of like these cases. They seem very sturdy, little foam inserts. So here is, let me see here, this camera actually has a zoom function or a focusing function. So here is the instruction manual. Comes with a lens cleaning cloth, mounting tools, and I'm assuming tools also for adjusting the sight. Let's see here. These most likely will be the mounting plates. So yeah, here's one. Let's see what else we got here. Silica gel, couple of batteries. As I said before, I'm really happy that they send a couple of batteries. Oh, yeah, 2 batteries. And they are CR2032s. These are going to probably be more mounting tools here. So here's the other plate. This must be the MOS plate since it says it has an RMR cut. And then lots and lots of screws. As you know, there's different screws for different handguns as far as mounting, depending on the mounting plate you have. So they have a whole litany of screws in a little bag. And now let's take out the sight. So here is the sight.